Have you ever tried to submit a form using Ajax, only to find that the data isn't coming through as expected? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to read a FormData object in Laravel. I know how confusing it can be when you're trying to send data to your Laravel controller and it just doesn't seem to work. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar issues when working with Ajax and FormData. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I get the image sent through the FormData object in Ajax using its name?" They mentioned that they were able to see the file in the request but couldn't extract it properly. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this issue? In Laravel, when you send a file through FormData, it gets wrapped in an uploaded file object. This means you need to access it differently than you would with standard input fields. We'll break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you handle file uploads in Laravel like a pro. To retrieve the uploaded file in Laravel, the user should use the correct method to access the file from the request object. Instead of using the get method, they should use the file method. Next, the user can check if the file was uploaded successfully. This can be done by verifying if the file variable is not null. If the file is uploaded, the user can then access its properties, such as the original name and the file path. This can be done using the appropriate methods provided by Laravel. Finally, the user should ensure that they handle any potential errors gracefully. This includes checking for file type and size before processing the upload. Did you know? Laravel makes file handling super easy, but it can be a bit tricky at first. Just remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn something new. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using jQuery to submit the form. They prevent the default form submission, create a FormData object from the form, and send it via an Ajax request. They emphasize setting the content type property to false to ensure the file uploads correctly. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the request type and the methods you're using to access uploaded files. This small adjustment can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to read the FormData object in Laravel without any issues. Remember, understanding how Laravel handles file uploads is key to successful form submissions. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on file handling.